Hi everybody, welcome again to Dina Thinks For You. So first I apologize if I made you wait so long for this lesson. I'm sorry, I was a bit busy with, every day we have news, we hear about more news about corona, instability about work and a lot of stuff makes us thinking all the time. And happy Ramadan Mubarak, by the way. So I'm very sorry, I hope you okay. So if you remember, we last time started our alphabet. We started with alif, a, and then we take ba. Okay, and now we're going to practice what we've learned so far, and we're going to start with our new letters. Ready? All right, so let's start with our new word. The first word in Arabic we are going to learn together. This could be a or o if you remember, and this is ba. So together, if you want to read together, can you try to guess how to read this? Ab. Ab. Ab means father. So this is your new word in Arabic. Okay? So let's see one more example. This is d, and this is a, alif without hamza. Okay? And this is b. Together. B sound b. B sound b. This is a sound, just like in Arabic, like bad, sad, dad, glad. Just opening your mouth without hamza. It's like this. If in the middle of the word or in the end of the word, like this. So how to say this word? Bab. Bab. Bab means a door. Okay, this is your second Arabic word. So this is a new word here. This is b, sound, b, baba, baba. If you remember, alif, either it's with hamza or without hamza. Alif never be connected to the letter that comes after. Or if you remember, we started from right to left. So the letter that comes before alif, no problem, they touch alif. But the letter that comes after alif, they don't touch alif. See, there is a space. And it's the same word. This is one word. Baba. Baba. Of course, you know baba means that. Yeah? Okay, this is one more word. I don't remember I teach you this or not. But this is very easy if you remember. Alif with this hamzat al-mad. A. And this b. So together. Ab. Ab. Do you notice something? You notice that I'm not writing harakat. I'm not writing fatha, kasra, damma, sukun. Do you remember fatha, kasra, damma? I'm not writing. I don't want you to depend on harakat. Don't depend on harakat. Very important to learn and very important to ignore and not depending on them. Okay? So start again with me reading one more important thing. So before I show you this very important example, I need you to remember with me this word. This letter. This one is ah. Ah. Okay. What's the difference between this one and alif without any hamza? Okay. I will show you here. Remember, this word is baba. Baba. No hamza, right? With hamzat al-mad. Ba'a, ba'a. Ba'a, ba'a. Did you feel the difference? So if there is this hamzat al-mad, this one, this shape, we add a sound. Ah. Without this hamza, it's just a sound. Just a sound. Without a. Like baba, dada, gaga, lala. Like this. You got it? Okay. So now are you ready for the next letter? Next letter is very easy. I'm not giving only one more new letter. I'll try to give even more because it's coming very easy. So this one is ta, 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 te, to. Could be ta or te or to. Depend. Okay, that's depend on the meaning, depend on the form, depend on which word we're writing. Okay, so let's practice this together. Ta is one of the letters that are very happy. They're actually more than happy to be connected to the other letters and to be, touched to other letters that comes after or before. She has no problem. I'm saying she because I love her. So let's write here some words. What is this? Tab. Tab. See? No space in the middle. Tab. Okay. One more. Can you read this? Good job. Who said tab? Tab. See? Here without the sound. Tab. And here with the sound, with the alif sound. Tab. Tab. Okay, imagine if you have a tab and you want to write the word in Arabic letters. Tab in Arabic letters. It's how it looks. Tab. Tab. Okay, great. Now let's go very fast to one more letter. Okay, I try to make it as quick as possible. Okay, this one is Tha. Tha. Th. Tho. Could be tha, could be the, could be tho. Okay? Okay, let's practice that. How to read this? Tha. 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 Tha is th plus alif, but they come together. Why? Because again, alif has no problem to be connected or touched to the letter that comes before, like this. Tha. They on one piece. Yeah. Tha. Good job. Okay. Okay. Let's write more and more and more. Yalla, practice with me. Okay. How to read this? Th, tha, thab, thabit, thabit. Alif here, the only letter has a problem with touching the letter that comes after. Thabit, thabit. Okay. Now this one. How to read this one? Thabat. Thabat. Let me make it more clear for you. Like this. I think it's more clear. Thabat. Th-b-at. It's all one word. But this is alif. So nothing touch alif that comes after alif. Nothing can touch her. Thabat. Thabat. Thabit. Thabat. Thabat. And this is the end of our lesson. So thanks again for trying to learn my Arabic language. I'm more than happy to help you with this. See you next time. Be safe always. Bye bye.